come today, what we're looking at doing is to give people a feel for prisons, because it's quite a unique environment and people are often nervous about coming into a prison. But actually what people will see today is the prisoners will interact well, they're polite and respectful, and it's just a way of breaking down barriers.
I'm looking at better ways to engage with the prison service and how we can interact with those organisations to actually give people a second chance.
It's been very eye-opening, and it's been great to be shown around, and it's great that the people that are in the room being able to talk to a lot of people.
Coming today was obviously really important to understand how we can work with the local community of getting people out back into work and supporting them in the long term.